In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix club name changes not available in FC26. Let's get started. This usually happens because you are trying to use the web app or companion app which don't support renaming your club, so you'll need to do it directly in-game or your console or PC. The first method is through the in-game settings. Launch Ultimate Team, go to main homepage, then press R1 or RB to move to the settings tab. Press R1 or RB again to highlight the rename club option. Then enter your new club name along with the 3-letter abbreviation and confirm to save the changes. If that does not work or the option still is not showing, you can use the second method to Objectives instead. Navigate to Objectives tab from the Ultimate Team menu, open Foundation section, scroll down to Club Maintenance and select the Change Club Name objective, which will take you directly to the renaming screen and may even reward you free consumables pack after completion. So this is how you can fix club name change not available in FC26. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.